It is a killer, a slab dropping machine. It will drop slabs without warning. It is as if God created the devil and gave the stone industry something very scary.
To understand the dangerous design of the shark bite slab clamp, read the following. The danger is further increased by having the 4 connecting bolts in relatively soft aluminum on the front plate. To ensure your workplace is safe, avoid purchasing the shark bite type clamps. Play it safe. Purchase the original safe wedge type slab lifting clamps that were invented by Jim Corbett back in 1995. Today they are known as the Aardwolf slab lifting clamps. The sliding jaw of the Aardwolf slab lifting clamp is not supported by hinges at an incline, which is a major problem with the shark bite type clamps. Also, the connecting rods are cast into the front plate, not bolted.